So in this version, I'm using 2.83.13, the latest version of the LTS, but I'm also using Boxcutter 718.3, which is a previous version of Boxcutter. Generally in Boxcutter, you're used to drawing a cut and then the cut going in the direction of the surface normal. For example, we could even select this face and press Alt-N in order to flip the normal. And while it's not something visible, we now see that whenever I attempt to extrude, it actually goes the opposite direction. That's because the direction of our extrude is based on the normals that you are drawing from. So anytime you have flipped normals, it's going to cause you issues whenever you're using Boxcutter. However, the same rules that we have for red box simply can't be stated as the way things should be when it comes to green box and gray box, which is make. So if we press tab, we see that we're able to move dots whichever direction that we want. If we wanted to bring it more in or bring it more out, we're able to do that just by pausing it and grabbing these dots. However, in the event that I were to, say, draw a shape here and I press A to switch to a make, which is just simply making a box, we see that I'm able to extrude it out this way, but I'm not able to bring it back the other way. And this always seems like a bit of a logic error with make to me because, despite the rules that we have with our other boxes, make is something special to me, and I feel that it shouldn't actually play by the same rules that the other shapes do, simply because make is just make. It doesn't do anything modifier related. So this is where this version ends and the next version begins. So to show it again, if I were to say join, we see that I'm able to join and bring the box out this direction, but I'm not able to bring the box inward. I could bring it in, press tab, grab the dot and attempt to do it. However, we see that this dot only allows us to drag it out this way. And then once we drag this dot out, we're able to grab this dot and begin bringing the shape inward. And this is just a really strange way to have to work. So that brings us to our current version, where if we take a look at the top, it says we're using Boxcutter 718.5. And what that means is that whenever you perform a red cut, it still behaves the same. You're still going to be able to draw it in the direction that you intend to. However, whenever it comes to behavior like join or make, which you can bring up with either A or J, we see that we're now able to bring join both directions, which is a small thing in terms of Boxcutter, but it's definitely going to be a major thing going forward when it comes to giving each of these shapes a different type of behavioral system to make them behave in a way optimal for the results that we're trying to go for. So I'll just turn off grid. We'll work from this point here. Make is also now bidirectional, meaning that you can now drag it inward and outward without any sort of issue. However, I see as I'm messing with it that we also will need to go back and make the numbers also go negative in order to allow view extrude to be able to handle this sort of development. But just letting you know that we're taking steps towards making join and make bidirectional so users can be able to use it in a variety of different ways that were previously unavailable to them.